Hello makers, it's time to start a new hobby, resin crafting. In this video, I play with some techniques to make these cool Minecraft diamond earrings and necklace. First, I used Photoshop, my printer, a Cricut to make some vinyl Minecraft stickers that I thought would look cool as earrings. Why stickers? Well, they're waterproof because we use archival ink and we've tested them in water. Next, I use rubbing alcohol to clean out my silicone mold. Then I added a small amount of UV resin to make sure the front would be nice and clear. I made sure there were no bubbles by adding heat, and I used the UV light to cure the resin a little. Next, I put some UV resin directly onto the front of the sticker to help minimize the bubbles. I squashed it down, and then I decided I wanted to add some blue rock things that I got in a slime making kit. They matched the diamond color pretty well, and I thought they would be really pretty in this diamond necklace. Add some UV, and wow, I love it so much! I think it's funny and pretty. My Minecraft diamond necklace, ooh. I need to make some earrings that match. Finding the right size mold took me a little while, but I repeated the same process as I did with the necklace. Then I decided to make them dangly, so I made some top pieces for the earrings. Then I wet sanded them, starting with 220 grit, and went all the way up into polishing. Last, I added the hardware and I was done. And here's me admiring my own work. I really like the way they shine. I love the way the resin looks in different color lights, and I have more resin projects coming soon. I've even made a few of my own resin molds. Well, that's the end of my first resin makers video. Thank you for watching.